Hey besties, it is that time again. I am going to be completing my 1 week check-in on my bi-weekly paycheck budget. This is a part of my payday routine, and this is a way that I can do my very best to make sure that I end the pay period in the green, in the positive. So if that is something that you're here for, I will be sharing my detailed process, and let's get into it. All right, bestie, so I have my wallet here because I am going to be checking in on my cash envelopes. I'm opening up my budget planner and I am going to the month of March. I am using the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck workbook. That is what I use to budget, but it is the digital version. I print it out. I am using the Happy Planner calendar and to house the actual trackers. So what I'm gonna need here is I'm gonna need my bill tracker. I have my payday tracker here. I'm just gonna take this out really quick because I'm gonna use this, and then I'm gonna need my calendar because this lets me know all of the bills that I have as well as here. I'm also using a black pen. This will indicate if I am on target with the budget, red pen if I am out of over budget, and then green pen if I am under budget. So let's get started. I really love the bill tracker because here I am able to check off all of the bills that I have paid, and it looks like I have done some form of follow-up already. It is important that you are looking at your budget every single day, especially if you are in a month of reset, and if you are in a period where you are really trying to hone in on your budget and make sure that you're not overspending. It's really important that you are expense tracking and you're just checking in every single day. So that's why some of this is already completed. Now here, my HOA. This is actually a part of my split bill method, my HOA. I have half of it going into my mortgage account every single time I am paid. Tithes was given, mortgage was paid, HOA was given or paid rather. Internet cable, this was paid, but internet cable was actually a little bit more. Internet cable was, where is it? $132.52. So this was $132.52. What? This is way over budget. So I really have to call them now because there they go. You know, these cable companies, I promise you, they stay like increasing the bill. So I need to figure out why this is $132.52. This is like $10 over budget. And this is not what my bill is supposed to be $121.22. A large portion of this I already know is my internet, but I'm gonna call them. I'll give you guys an update on why it increased so much. I thought it had only increased by a couple of dollars, but that's like 10 bucks. All right, ADT was paid $68.52. I never have a problem with ADT. They do their job. Sirius XM 606. Let me make sure because Sirius XM will come through too with something crazy, so they are on point. And AAA, the $43, that was what I had to pay extra in order to pay the actual renewal fee. My electricity bill was $115.40, and then my water bill was $56.35, but I have to remember to put the fee, which is like $3 or whatever the difference is. That's how much the fee is. So that is everything as it relates to my bills. I am going to take a moment to check everything off here on the calendar and then also on my bill tracker. guys, so I have everything checked off on my bill tracker, and then I have everything checked off on my calendar. So if you're wondering why do I use both, number one, I put all of my bills here on my calendar because I want to know what bills I'm going to pay with what paycheck. But there are times when there are certain things that will happen in my life that's not really a bill, or it's not a monthly bill, so I don't have it here. An example of that is my AAA bill, like working in the office. And these things right here, it's not going to be here, even though AAA is kind of like a bill. But you know what I'm saying? It's not going to be here. So that's the reason why I have them in two places, if you are wondering, because somebody did ask me that question. They were like, why do you have it listed twice? So that's why. So now next on my calendar, you will see here work in office, which I actually did not do. So I didn't have to spend extra money in gas for that. And then I have baby shower and girls' day. This was actually money that I did take out of my account in order to hang out with my friends and go to the baby shower. So I did buy a baby shower gift. I did not go to my friend's outing. I didn't go. I had some work that I needed to do. So I do want to count how much money I have left in my envelopes. And I am going to look on the budget here. So I took, for groceries, I took out $150. And what I have left is so I have $50 left in groceries, grocery money that I can spend. And for household, I don't have anything left in household. In toiletries, I have left over. Take out these coins. I'm gonna want to take my coins to the store, but then I don't want to pay a fee. I don't want to roll the coins either. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Put the coins to the side. So in toiletries, I have left over $13 in toiletries. So if I need anything else, I will go get it. And then next is the blessing envelope. So as it relates to the girls' day, I took out $50 here, as you can see. And I still have the 50 here because I didn't go. And then for the baby shower, so you can see how much money I have left over for the gift money. So I have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have $16 left over for the baby shower gift, and then $50 left over for girls' day. So I'm just gonna put this back in here. And that was everything that I had for that. Now for gas, the way that I'm doing my gas now is I'm using my credit card to purchase gas, and then I pay my credit card off every 2 weeks, and I have explained that to you guys. So what I have used so far, let me check. So I have used so far $68.89 in gas. Just writing a little note to myself. So this is my 1 week check-in. And I think I'm gonna need gas now. So this is a note to myself, and I thought this had a sticky on the back, but it doesn't. I need like I'm gonna use So Crafty Sanaz notes here. So for my 1 week check-in, I use $68.89. And this is a note to myself so that I'm knowing like how much money I'm spending per week on gas. So currently now I am pretty much coming under budget as it relates to my gas. So going up to trash, I did take the $20 out for that and for car registration, and then that was it. That was it. So we're doing pretty good on my 1 week. All of my bills have been paid. I paid all of my bills on the day that I got paid, or I think it was like the next day. But the objective is to pay all of your bills on the app on the day that you get paid, so you don't have to worry about it. And I am paid this Friday, and I am looking pretty good to be on track. As it relates to my goals, checking in here, I'm working to increase my income. As far as decreasing bills and reducing debt, definitely working on that. Low spend month is going okay, but I think I'm gonna switch to a no spend month. Either today or tomorrow, I don't know. I'm trying to, make up my mind, but I think I'm gonna switch to a no spend in the middle of the month. And here, pay for my laundry room and second bathroom floors. So I will be doing that pretty much sometime at the end of the month. And make sure you guys stay tuned for this, because I'm going to be completing a budget that will, I'm going to be completing a laundry room budget. So there we go. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That's going to be very fun, something I've never done before, but I'm excited to do it. And then my note to myself. So when I go over here also to the low spend calendar, I've been doing pretty good, definitely, especially because on Saturday I actually did not spend any money. So I can go ahead and highlight these 2 days. Well, I was under budget for purchasing the baby shower gift, and then I saved money on gas. I just had some work to do, so I was just like, oh, that's gonna be tough to try to make it all work. So I wasn't able to go. I was sad. I also need to buy a vlog camera, you guys. Like, that is gonna be something on my list. If I do want to start vlogging, I really have to get me a vlog camera, because my camera is not good. Now I know that I can use my phone to vlog, but I would like to use a camera. And that is pretty much it for my 1 week check-in. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. I hope that you guys were able to join the prayer call this morning. If you didn't, definitely catch the replay. I think that it was a really, really great call. And tomorrow, possibly, I will be putting out a bonus video. Possibly tomorrow or the end of this week, there'll be a bonus video that I will be uploading. So I hope that you guys are having a wonderful March. March Madness is still underway. So I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.